In this video, I'm going to show you how to type an ARC text at the top and then group some text layers together. They're both skills that you need to know for the certification practice test. So let me show you one of the questions that they have. They want you to type some words on top of the dog, happy pets, use the font Jaggy Fries, make it 30 points, and arc the text with a warp of +50 bend to keep all other defaults. So we'll do that one first. Let's get our text tool and click on our image area and type what they asked, happy pets, and then you can go up here. You can see this is where we pick the font, so I already have this font selected and it's already the 30 points that I need, but if it wasn't, you could change it there and then press the check mark. I'm just going to go ahead and move it on top of the dog a little more centered with the move tool. Alright, now they also said to give it an arc, so let's click on the text tool again. Go up here at the top where you see the T with the curve. It says create warped text. If you click on that, this window will open and the instructions said to arc it with a 50 +50 bend. So you go to the bend and you can change it. Like if it said negative, it would look like that, but it said +50. So we're going to do that and say OK. And now I'm going to use the move tool and pull it down here on top of the dog. Okay, and then one of the other questions it has, not that one, let's go to this one. Create a new group called fonts and place the two text layers in the group. So let's go back here. So you'll see in our file here, we have these two text layers. It wants you to make a new group and place them in there. So go to layer and say new, layer, new group. And it said to name it fonts. Say OK, and so now you'll see we have this folder where we can put the fonts in there, the text layers. So let's drag both of our text layers into that folder. So now you can see when we close that our fonts or our text layers are in that font folder, and when you open it up, you can see them in there.